We'll guide you through how to integrate Asana with GitHub. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Asana's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the top bar and click on the Apps icon, which looks like a grid of squares. This will take you to the Apps section where you can find different integrations. In the search bar, type GitHub and select the GitHub integration from the list of options. Now, click on the Add to Project button. You'll be prompted to choose which project you want to connect with GitHub, so select the desired project from your list. After selecting the project, you may be asked to authenticate with GitHub. If so, click on the Authenticate button, which will redirect you to GitHub's login page. Enter your GitHub credentials and authorize the Asana app to access your GitHub account. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to Asana. Now, you can configure the integration settings. You can choose to sync your GitHub issues and pull requests with tasks in your Asana project. You also have the option to automate the creation of tasks whenever a new issue is opened in GitHub. Make sure to customize these settings according to your workflow needs. Finally, save your changes and you should see a confirmation message that your Asana project is now successfully integrated with GitHub. This integration will streamline your workflow by keeping your project management and version control in sync. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.